Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Discovering Success. Uncover your purpose, passion, and path. Lecture 8. In this lecture we will learn about exploring different paths to success. Defining success. What does it mean to you? Exploring different career paths. Entrepreneurship and self-employment opportunities. The impact of success on different aspects of life. Embracing flexibility and adaptability in the pursuit of success. Conclusion. Finding your path to success. Defining success. What does it mean to you? What does success mean to you? Is it a high-paying job, a happy family, or achieving a personal goal? Success can mean different things to different people, and it's important to define what it means to you personally. Take a moment to reflect on your own definition of success and how it relates to your career goals and aspiration. Success is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's important to recognize that what may be considered successful for one person may not be the same for another. Your definition of success should be based on your own values, passions, and priorities. By defining success for yourself, you can create a clear path towards achieving your goals and living a fulfilling life. Exploring different career paths. There are a multitude of career paths available, each with their own unique benefits and drawbacks. Traditional paths such as medicine or law offer stability and prestige, while non-traditional paths like entrepreneurship or creative fields offer freedom and flexibility. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of each path and consider which aligns best with your values and goals when exploring different career paths. It's also important to keep an open mind and be willing to take risks. Some of the most successful individuals have pursued unconventional paths and found success through innovation and creativity. By considering a variety of options and being adaptable, you can find a career that not only provides financial stability but also fulfillment and purpose. Entrepreneurship and self-employment opportunities. Entrepreneurship and self-employment can be a challenging but rewarding path to success, while it may not be for everyone. Those who are willing to take risks and pursue their dreams can reap the benefits of being their own boss and creating something new. One of the main benefits of entrepreneurship is the potential for financial success and independence. By starting their own business, individuals have the opportunity to build something from the ground up and create a source of income that is not tied to a traditional employer. However, entrepreneurship also comes with its own set of challenges, including financial risk and uncertainty. It's important for individuals to carefully consider their options and weigh the potential benefits and drawbacks before deciding if this path is right for them. The impact of success on different aspects of life. Success can have a profound impact on various aspects of our lives, including our personal relationships, mental health, and overall well-being. While achieving success in our careers or other pursuits can bring us a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment, it's important to consider the potential trade-offs. For example, we may find ourselves sacrificing time with loved ones or neglecting our physical and emotional needs in order to pursue our goals. Maintaining balance and perspective is key when it comes to navigating the impact of success on our lives. We must be willing to reflect on our priorities and make adjustments as necessary to ensure that we are living a fulfilling and meaningful life. This requires introspection and self-awareness, as well as a willingness to seek support and guidance from others when needed. Embracing flexibility and adaptability in the pursuit of success. In the pursuit of success, it's important to be flexible and adaptable. The world is constantly changing, and what worked in the past may not work in the future. By being open to new opportunities and willing to pivot when necessary, you can increase your chances of achieving your goals. One example of someone who embraced flexibility and adaptability is Oprah Winfrey. She started out as a news anchor, but when she was given the opportunity to host her own talk show, she took it. This decision led to her becoming one of the most successful media personalities in history. By being open to new opportunities and willing to pivot when necessary, she was able to achieve her goals and become a trailblazer in her industry. Conclusion. Finding your path to success. In conclusion, success is a deeply personal and multifaceted concept. It can mean different things to different people and can manifest in various ways throughout one's life and career. Throughout this presentation, we have explored different paths to success, including traditional and non-traditional career paths, entrepreneurship, and the importance of flexibility and adaptability. We have also examined the impact of success on various aspects of life and highlighted the importance of maintaining balance and perspective. As you reflect on your own path to success, remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Embrace your unique strengths and passions. Be open to new opportunities, and don't be afraid to take risks. And most importantly, remember that success is not a destination, but a journey. Enjoy the ride and embrace the challenges along the way.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.